welcome back to our 30 days of yoga. Today we are going to go over fish pose, Matsyasana. Now fish pose is the counter pose to shoulder stand that you did yesterday. Shoulder stand is a lot of compression perhaps in the front body, and today we're going to open that up and just bring this lovely lift back to the front of the body. So back to our backs. Now when we start to put our flows together, fish pose will come straight after shoulder stand, which is lovely that you just did it yesterday. So if you did want to move through your shoulder stand again, please be my guest. Otherwise, fish pose, coming all the way down, legs down long now. Point your toes all the way to the end of your mat. Legs are starting to fire up. Hands wriggle underneath your bum. So as graceful as you want to get in here. The palms are going to face down, and the forearms, the elbows are squeezing in towards one another. So it's like you've got a cushion for your bum on your hands. Elbows are drawing in. Toes are pointed, legs are engaging. Tuck the tailbone, scoop the belly button towards the spine so you're really strong in the front body. And then press your hands and your elbows, your forearms, into the mat as you start to lift the chest all the way up. So you're really lifting the chest, shoulder blades are drawing into one another, and you come onto the top of the head, just the crown of the head. Keep the toes nice and pointed. And here we are in our fish pose, Matsyasana. So everything is lovely engaged in the lower body, and the throat is really nice and exposed. Bring the tongue to the roof of the mouth. And we're just going to stay here for 5 breaths. So take an inhale. Exhale 1. Inhale. Exhale 2. Inhale. Exhale 3. Inhale. Exhale 4. And last one, inhale. On your exhale, gently draw the chin in towards the chest and allow the spine to really slowly roll back down. Remove your hands from underneath your back. And lower back, just allow it to settle back on your mat, maybe tucking the tailbone, finding a little bit of space for your spine to just really soften down. And we'll just draw the arms out nice and long, relaxing all the way down, and just finding this release. Softening the face, soften the jaw. And fish pose is a really, really nice pose. If you're feeling as if you're a little bit constricted in the throat, or you feel like you don't have a voice to say what you want to say, and it really opens your throat chakra, which are these energy channels all the way through your body. So it's a nice big release through the heart and through the throat to find this real opening and expansion. And when you come out, just make sure you're grounding all the way back in. And then an option to stay here as long as you like, just breathing, or maybe coming all the way back to a seat. Coming back to your Sukhasana, legs crossed, roll the shoulders, and just allowing yourself to rest the body. Finding this winding down time. And I'll see you back here tomorrow on the mat for a little more. Namaste.